Happy birthday to Cyrus. Happy birthday, my
Thank
son.
you, Dad. You're the best dad in the world. My dad is the best dad in the world. My dad is the best dad in the world.
So, my son, you will leave now.
Yes, Dad. Peter is waiting for me.
But why don't you come and stay with me as a normal person?
What do you mean, Dad? I'm a very normal person.
But you know, in our society, gays are not accepted normal persons.
Dad, you know I enjoy my life this way. And you should let me do what I enjoy doing it.
Well, if you want to go and stay with Peter, go ahead.
Thank you, Dad. I'll see you soon then. Take care. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Uncle Tony, where are you? Oh, Uncle Tony, you're still sleeping. Wake up. Uncle Tony, you're still sleeping. Wake up, please. Uncle? No!
He was the best dad of the world. He was the best dad of the world. He was the best dad of the world. Dear son, I love you a lot. I want you to come back to a normal life, which we understand as normal. In our family, I do not want my son to be called as a gay. You may find your happiness in being that, but we are part of a middle-class society. I just wonder how you might be living. Hey Peter, what's up?
Hello, buddy. How are you?
I'm good, buddy. Love you.
Many happy returns of the day.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy. The nature created us as a normal human being, but for a self-proclaimed happiness, we are changing ourselves. Some become vampire.
No.
Some become lesbians. Some become psyche, killing hundreds of school or college students. If things go on like this, in years to come, there will be many more types of humans. I'm so happy. I got everything I wanted. Why should I live anymore?
Crazy fellow.
Who is Tom?
It's me. Coming, sir.
Hello, Tom. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
So, what is the name of your parents?
Mr. Michael and Mrs. Rita.
Oh, but in our old passport, I see some other names. What is that, Tom?
Well, at that time, my father was Mark and my mom was Julie. But then Mark divorced Julie and Julie got married to Michael. And I stayed with them. But after that, Michael divorced Julie and got married to Rita. Now staying with them.
Oh, do you know the names of the parents who gave you birth?
Well, actually, no.
Holy cow, what an identity crisis, man. God bless you.
Thank you.
Son, you have to study a little more.
No, I don't want to study.
You have to, son.
No. The nature is beautiful. What you guys are doing is against the nature. I thought good sons like you will help preserve nature. If you yourself do such things, I get scared. Come back, son. The nature bleeds. Dad too. You were the best dad of the world. You were the best dad of the world.